Hi, in this video we will learn how to schedule video classes on Edneed, without going through the hassle of using multiple applications. Start by accepting the Zoom invitation in your inbox, that you might have received with your Edneed invite. This will enable you to directly schedule classes on Zoom with Edneed. Click Activate Your Account button. Sign in with Google and make sure to choose the same account that you use for Edneed. If you have an existing account, click Link and sign in. And we are ready to teach. In your Institute admin dashboard, go to Online Class. To schedule a class, click on the big green Schedule Class button. Select your course and classroom and specify the time and date of the class. Further select the class duration. Now mention the class topic and agenda, and finally, specify a class password. As you press Schedule Now button, all the students in this course will receive an email notification for the class. This email includes the student's name, Edneed email, class topic, course name, classroom name and class timings. The student can easily access this class from their Edneed dashboard. To start a class, click on Start Now button. You will be simply redirected to Zoom, where you can easily conduct your online class. Once the time and duration of your class passes, the Start Now button will get disabled. You can remove a class by clicking on the Remove button. A confirmation pop-up will appear to avoid accidents. We've reached the end of this video. Watch our video on how to invite teachers or watch our complete How to Edneed playlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Happy learning, Team Edneed.